Tired of seeing strange gadgets that look cool but never really work? Well, these are the weird ones that actually deliver. From quirky tools to unusual problem solvers, they're fun, practical, and surprisingly useful in everyday life. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Your bathroom routine just got a serious upgrade. This smart bidet seat replaces toilet paper with a refreshing, customizable clean. Use the remote to adjust water pressure, temperature, and even the drying air. At night, a soft LED glow guides you without harsh lighting. With eco mode, self-cleaning nozzles, and a soft close lid, it's modern comfort, hygiene, and convenience all in one. Ever wish you could take a chair with you anywhere? This clever wearable seat straps onto your legs and gives you support whenever you need it. Just bend your knees and it transforms into a comfortable perch. With adjustable height and angles, it adapts to your body and posture. Lightweight yet strong, it eases fatigue whether you're working long hours, waiting in line, or enjoying the outdoors. Your favorite memories deserve more than a spot on your phone. This digital frame brings them to life in vibrant color on a sleek HD screen. With Wi-Fi and a simple app, you can add photos anytime, and even let friends and family send theirs straight to your frame. Unlimited cloud storage means you'll never run out of space. It's the easiest way to keep your happiest moments on display. Why settle for ordinary seating when you can float in comfort? This double egg chair creates a cozy cocoon for two, perfect for lazy afternoons or starlit nights. A thick cushion and headrest keep you supported while you sway. The sturdy steel frame and weather-resistant wicker mean it works indoors or outdoors. From bedroom to balcony, it's your personal retreat wrapped in style and relaxation. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This electric griddle gives you a massive cooking surface so you can flip pancakes, fry eggs, or sear burgers all at once. The ceramic non-stick coating means food slides right off and cleanup is a breeze. A built-in warming tray keeps finished food hot while you cook the rest. With adjustable heat control and cool touch handles, it's family cooking made simple. Dry air making it hard to sleep? This smart humidifier restores comfort without leaving mist, white dust, or damp surfaces behind. A built-in aroma stone lets you add essential oils, filling your room with calming scents like lavender. The whisper quiet operation and soft mood lighting make it perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. With a large tank that runs up to 48 hours, it keeps the air fresh day and night. Bring the cozy glow of a campfire right into your room. This flame-inspired diffuser blends mist with light, creating the illusion of flickering fire, while it fills the air with soothing, essential oils. The ultrasonic design keeps it whisper quiet, so it won't disturb sleep or relaxation. A remote control lets you adjust brightness, mist, and timers with ease. Safe auto shut-off and a large tank keep it running worry-free all day. Cleaning just got a whole lot smoother. This cordless vacuum glides around furniture with easy 180-degree steering and bright LED lights to catch dust hiding in dark corners. Switch it into a handheld unit and you're ready to tackle couches, stairs, or even your car. 2 power modes give you the right suction when you need it. With nearly an hour of runtime, it handles big jobs without breaking a sweat. Cold nights don't have to chase you inside. This electric patio heater warms your outdoor space with quiet, infrared heat that feels like natural sunlight. No propane tanks, no fumes, just simple plug-and-go comfort. With a remote control, you can adjust power settings without leaving your chair. Built with waterproof protection and a safety shutoff, it's perfect for year-round evenings on the deck, patio, or garden. running out of outlets. This wall extender turns a single plug into a full power hub with room for all your devices. 5 wide-spaced outlets handle bulky chargers, while 4 USB ports, including a fast USB-C, keep your gadgets powered up. A built-in nightlight softly glows when the room is dark, guiding you without harsh brightness. With surge protection and a snug fit on the wall, it's safe, compact, and super convenient. No more juggling keys or worrying about who's at the door. This smart lock combines a powerful security camera with a keyless entry system. You can unlock instantly with your fingerprint, palm vein, or even a quick app tap. Super easy and fast. The 2K ultra-wide camera shows visitors clearly from head to toe, even at night, and stores video safely without subscriptions. It's next-level peace of mind right at your doorstep. Breakfast just got way more fun. This vertical waffle maker lets you pour batter through the top spout for perfect Belgian waffles without the mess. You can pick your favorite shade with 5 browning levels, from soft and fluffy to golden and crisp. Lights and beeps tell you exactly when it's ready, so no guesswork. Non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze, so you're back to enjoying waffles in minutes. Clean water made simple. This dispenser uses a 5-stage filter that removes lead, PFAS, chlorine, and other hidden contaminants from your drinking water. A built-in tester shows when your filter is working at its best, so you always know your water is pure. It fits neatly in the fridge or on the counter, ready for easy pouring. And every refill helps you skip hundreds of plastic bottles. Sometimes the cleanest home still hides what you can't see. This UV light sanitizer tackles mold, dust mites, and bacteria by breaking them down at the DNA level. Just set the timer, clear the room, and let it work. No scrubbing or chemicals required. It even helps neutralize stubborn odors in mattresses, carpets, and couches. The result? Fresher air, fewer allergens, and a healthier home for your family. Tired of asking, are these clean or dirty? This simple sliding magnet gives you the answer at a glance. Just slide it over after a cycle, and everyone in the house knows the status. No confusion, no arguments. It sticks right to your dishwasher, or use the adhesive if yours isn't magnetic. With its rustic black and white wood design, it's both practical and a stylish little upgrade for your kitchen. Good wine deserves the perfect pour. This 3-in-1 gadget aerates instantly, so every sip has richer flavor and aroma. With a touch of the panel, you can dispense the exact amount you want. No spills, no guesswork. A vacuum seal keeps your bottle fresh for days, so you never waste a drop. Sleek, durable, and easy to clean, it makes enjoying wine feel effortless and refined. Hosting just got easier. This foldable warming tray keeps food hot and ready to serve, then tucks away neatly when the party's over. The stainless steel pads heat evenly so every dish stays warm from the first bite to the last. Touch screen controls let you pick the perfect temperature and timer with a tap. When you're done, just wipe it clean, fold it up, and store it out of sight. Who knew cracking eggs could make you laugh? This quirky little chicken separates yolks from whites by vomiting them right out of its beak. Just crack your egg into the top and watch the magic happen. It's quick, clean, and oddly satisfying. Made of smooth ceramic, it's safer and sturdier than plastic. Dishwasher safe and adorable, it turns baking prep into a moment of pure kitchen fun. One pot, 7 possibilities. This multi-cooker can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, make rice, yogurt, and even keep food warm. It's compact, but still handles family-sized meals with ease. A progress display shows you exactly what stage your food is at. No more guesswork. Best of all, it cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, so you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying dinner. Keep eyes on everything, day or night, with this smart security camera. It pans, tilts, and zooms to cover every corner, while motion tracking ensures you never miss a thing, whether it's a pet wandering around or someone at the door. With two-way audio, you can talk through the camera, and its color night vision delivers clear detail even in the dark. Built tough for indoors or outdoors, it's always on guard. Turn every shower into a spa session with this dual shower system. The fixed head delivers a relaxing full spray, while the handheld offers 10 different modes, from a gentle mist to a powerful massage. It even filters out chlorine and impurities, leaving your skin and hair feeling refreshed. With a built-in power wash mode, you can clean your shower or tub just as easily as you clean yourself. This isn't just a sofa, it's a full living room upgrade. The middle backrest flips down into a tray with cup holders, USB ports, and even a hidden storage drawer, making movie nights and game sessions way more convenient. Each side reclines independently, so everyone gets their own comfort zone. Built tough with safe, sturdy materials, it's the kind of couch that keeps family time cozy, organized, and stress-free. Imagine stepping out of the shower and never needing a towel again. This body dryer uses columns of warm air to gently dry you from head to toe, leaving skin soft without friction or irritation. It's not only a luxurious experience, but also a safer one, perfect for preventing slips and helping those with limited mobility. A cleaner, more hygienic, and surprisingly relaxing way to finish every shower. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade with this 3-in-1 vacuum. It switches between robot, stick, and handheld modes, so whether it's carpets, stairs, or tight corners, you're covered. The robot empties itself for up to 75 days, while smart obstacle avoidance keeps it moving smoothly around shoes, toys, and even pets. With tangle-free tech and powerful suction, it's like having 3 cleaners in one, minus the hassle.